So my name is Brian Rousell. I'm the Engineering Director at Shoreham Port, which is where we are today. I run the engineering team which looks after all the maintenance of the port and projects. The main focus of a lot of our work being on the locks and the dry dock, which is at the entrance to the port, is really our front door and is very much dependent on Greenheart to keep the port running. Yeah, as an engineer, Greenheart's an amazing material because it's so tough and it really protects the port. Protects the quay walls, it protects the lock gates. And we do use some other materials. We use some polyethylene materials, high density polyethylene, but we find ourselves going back to Greenheart a lot with its workability and adaptability and its sustainability as well, which is a big thing for us. It's remarkably consistent for a natural material. Yeah, it's a very reliable material that if you drill it or cut it, the finish you're going to get and the strength it's going to give you. So yeah, as bits get damaged, we'll recover what we can and reuse it. They'll have a multitude of lifespans. Yeah, it's grown naturally. It can be recycled in so many ways. In fact, even we export wood chip as well here. So when timber's really reached the end of its working life, then it can be turned into fuel for biomass generation. So it's got that whole life cycle that we like to sort of work with everything that we do here at the port. So these gates really are the front door to the port. Without these, we can't operate. And they are totally reliant on the Greenheart seals along the base and up the heel post of the gates. And it's just the best material because it's got that certain amount of moldability, but the resilience and the resistance to some pretty severe pressures that are put on here when you've got a 6 or 7 metre head of water and you're retaining it to let the really big ships pass. It's a pretty tough environment. Yeah, it's harsh. These gates really do take a beating.